Aha! There we go. Oh, is there anything better than warm fresh bread? Yes, warm fresh bread with honey butter. Oh. That is so good. Oh, the crust is so crispy on this thing. Oh, I'm getting so full. I've got a belly full of warm bread and it's nice and cozy in here. I'm gonna just kind of take it easy. I'm sore after all that kayaking. It's been a fun, relaxing evening, but I've got to get to bed. I've got to get up early in the morning. I'll see you guys then. Oh, good morning. I've got to hurry up and get packed.